Awesome. So, hi guys. This is Chris from DoraHacks. I will be the host for today's demo sessions. So we can start from here. So before we officially kick off the demo sessions, I can provide a brief introduction about the background for the ABGA and KLAYTN blockchain gaming hackathon. So we all know that blockchain gaming is one of the biggest topic in the space right now. But current gaming or GameFi play to earn projects have a bunch of questions and problems. Um, and we believe that blockchain gaming should not just about GameFi and play to earn. Perhaps through this hackathon, we can observe a new blockchain gaming model is brewing. Uh, this is why we are very exciting about to see all of the results winners came out from this hackathon. Today we are very happy to have three projects to join us. They're Multiverse Play, Evermoon, and Owlando. You can see that they are the final winners for this hackathon. Multiverse earned the third prize, Evermoon top 16 teams, and Orlando top 16 teams. So before we, uh, um, so I guess that's it. I will leave the stage to the presenters today. So the first teams that are about to present today is the Evermoon team. So Victor, feel free to start when you are ready.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Thank you so much. So let's start from my side. Just a moment. Can you guys see my screen? Yeah, hopefully yes. Okay. Evermoon is 5 versus 5 mobile games. Our vision is come from like the story like this. We have been like a execute before, and then like our scholar is like playing a lot, and then after that they got the money. The objective is like to obtain the money, and then if the like after that like the reward token is going down, after that all of my scholarships like going to stop playing. Even they didn't invest in anything, or even they didn't like lose any of kind of money, but they stopped playing it. So I asked them the reason why did they stop playing it, like they got the income. The reason is like the objective is like coming to play and earn, and when the amount of money that they got is going lower, they stop playing, because they use the money of the money that they get it from to top up in the kind of game like Valorant or League of Legends or some things like Mobile Legends Bang Bang. So my vision is if there was a game something like that is like a normal game that the traditional players playing daily life, and they get the reward back from it, they got income back from it, why wouldn't they play this kind of game? And here's our partnerships right now. As you see, it's like we have 3 of the tier 1 launchpad here with us already on board with us, which is GameFi.org, Red Kite, and Cityfy. And also Cityfy is our incubator. And here is our games. Yeah. As I say that Evermoon is 5 versus 5 train mobile games on mobile. So this kind of game is like it have like a lot of market size and high potential at it to grab the demand of the micro players or the traditional players to become in GameFi industry. If we could create models that is like reduce barrier as much as possible for them to play our game. Yeah, and we are our first into the game NFT game into the market, like this type of game. and our game is finished already, and we will release our games like at the November, so it's mean like next month. So so we do like a games, and we try to solve like the blockchain problems. We see is like there are two problems in game 2.0 or the traditional games. There are two things. The first one is the inflation of the item in games, and the second one is the in-game asset owner of the items. So the in-game asset owner of the items, the NFT, come to like solve this one. So it's mean like I give you an example. Like if you play like the games before Mobile Legends or something else, when you get the heroes, like if the game owner is like promise you this one is the limited one, and then you buy it. The owner of the asset is not yours. The owner of the asset is the game owners. So the NFT is like come to solve this problem. And the next one is about the item inflation. The item inflation is can solve by the DeFi burning mechanism of our games. And here is our NFT heroes. You can use our heroes to entry our games and obtain some of the stamina. And this one is skin. Skin also can use to play our games and obtain some of the stamina also. And the last one is runes. The runes is the objective for the players to come to play our games and obtain runes and upgrade their stat, like some of the stat in the beginning of the games. And this one is our player income model. We try to like reduce the barrier as much as possible for the traditional players. So our game is like you can download our games at the App Store or the Play Store. All of one that download our game you can play is like for free to play, and you will got like 4 heroes at the beginning. That is fixed hero and cannot be sold as NFT. And after that, you will got like you will have a stamina system that is the limit. Is it the condition to limit the supply per day? And after that, if the free players, you can access the normal match and get the low earning. But if you are a serious player and you like the game and you want to invest in the game, you have to buy one more heroes to unlock the rank match, because I set the requirement of to join the rank match. It's like you have to have at least 5 heroes to join it. So it means like you have to buy one more heroes to join the rank match and get the high earning reward. And this one is the game economy and game flow that we design. We know that the NFT games or the game 3.0 is good, but after we solve like many kind of problems in 2.0 games, we create more like one more of the problems in the blockchain world or the GameFi world as before, as you see. So it means the problem is entry price. So we pick the price of the capsules that is randomly we'll random the hero and skin at 20 BUSD value. It means like EVM equivalent. If the price of EVM going down, the more of the EVM token have to be used to buy the capsule or something like that. And after that, okay, after you play and you got the reward token as our secondary token is Everstone, you can use it as a fee for our burning mechanism, which is building challenge and synthesis. And after that, it means this kind of the burning mechanism is like to combine the lower tier NFT to be a one higher tier NFT. And then after that, you can use those to sell in the marketplace. Here is of the building challenge. The building challenge is, as I said, is what to combine the lower tier NFT to be a higher one. So it's mean like this one will cost the equivalent price. I give you an example. Like if there was a 6 heroes combined like to be a one skin. So it's mean if the cost of one hero is 1 USD and the skin is 10 USD. So it means like you have to use 6 USD to be 10 USD. So the price of the skin will going down a little bit, and the price of the heroes will going up a little bit, and this will cost the equivalent price. And about the synthesis is to synthesize the rune or enhance the rune to be the next level. It have a chance that you can do it success, and it have a chance for you to like do it failure. The reason why the players have to play our game, the objective is rune, because runes can find from us. Runes can already be found in games, in play like in games and in the marketplace. And this one is the currency in Evermoon games. There are Evermoon token as the governance token, Everstone as the reward token, and the off-chain token is Everpoint. This one is not related to the on-chain token or in any kind of DeFi, but it have to like allow us to port the application into the App Store. And this one is our tokenomic price release chart. So basically our valuation of the project is 10 million. And right now, our seed had already full already. And about the public is already full already also by top tier launchpad. And there are only like some of low amounts of the private sales left. And here's our roadmap. So basically, like our unique selling point is like right now we see the pain point that many of the projects raise funding and they didn't continue doing the project. So we will launch the game first. It means like the offer launch of the games. We will launch it at November. And after that, we will do at least like we will launch at least 1 month. And after that, we will do the public sale. The reason is like we want the investor and the players to touch the product, the tangible products first, the solid one first, before they make a decision to invest. So if they like the game, if they play the game and they love it, they will invest in it. So I want to make sure that the players and the investor got the best thing for them. And here's our team. There are me, Patipo or Victor, as the CEO. I have been like managed in the many of real business in Thailand. And Tanashot Orville, he is the investor and experienced smart contract developer at many big tech companies in Thailand, such as like Satang Pro or CryptoMine. And Supicha or Grace, she is the our CMO. She's like have many experience in field of the marketing in Thailand also. And lastly is Jonathan Onung. He is over 20 years experience in fields of game and animation, and he have won like last year like the mid the sandbox contest. And here's our advisor, Hun Sarit. He is the CEO and founder of Crypto Cup, and he has been like many of advisor for many kind of big projects like Virtual and Amazing. Yeah, and this is all of the Evermoon guide today. Introduction today. Thank you so much for pressure.
Questions from me is that can you briefly introduce a bit more about your team background? For example, like what did you guys do or relevant crypto experience before? Something like that.
Yes. We haven't worked like the whole projects before, but we have been like being the ambassador of the Moonbeam.
Got it.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes, and also like honestly, like for me, this one is the first project in the blockchain world. But I have been like I have been like a founder of many of Thai company before, and honestly, like there is already hard for us like to join the blockchain things because I am the real world business, and in Thailand is honestly like most of Thai people doesn't play LinkedIn. And yeah, there will be like many of barrier for us to like to engage or to know more of the investor or know more of the peoples in the blockchain field.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, it's very exciting to see that mobile games in the game blockchain gaming space because I'm also playing like League of Legends, both
Oh,
PC
cool.
version and mobile version and a bunch of other mobile games. So very exciting to see that. Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah. Cool. Let's jump to the thank you again, Victor. Let's jump to the next project today, which is Owlando. So Shuling, feel free to start when you're ready.
Sure. Yeah, I thought I'm the third one on this. Never mind. So let me share my screen. If you can help confirm that you can see, then I can start. Okay. Hi everyone. This is Shulin from Owlando, a user content created online gaming platforms. In Owlando, you can achieve mainly two functions. User can rely on Owlando to perform online gaming, organize online 3D concert, conference or parties. The second function we focus on UCG is user who create the metaverse they desire to, and at a low cost. Thanks to our experienced developer, we have a quite complete platforms. So I would like to invite you to jump into our platforms directly. So, so once you connect to your wallet, here is the first page you will see. You already have a variety of meta themes to choose to operate your activities. So the first page is some 3D scenes created by our official develop team. And the second space is created by our user, and the third one is by our partners. So let's quickly pick one to see what you can perform there. Yeah. So our develop team is working on adding more elements to this meta universe. So you can control your avatars to perform various activities. For now, it's a basic space, but the more functionality will be added. So user can customize their avatars by using the avatar customized tools provided on our front page as well. You can control the avatars to perform online swap or others activities. This platform can be accessed via PC, mobile, and VR devices. And our service is operate on a decentralized databases powered by Everland. So all the user data, including the creation process and ownership of the NFT, the 3D NFT, will be protected by zero knowledge proof and stored in the decentralized data space. Yes, so that is what you can do in the space. Another function we have is the meta creation. So let me go back to the first page. And when you log in the first page, you have the small icon next to it. It's called Create Meta. Once you click Create Meta, it will link you to our local editor platform, where you can be creative and choose and building your own metaverse space. Once you create it, you can click save, and it will be this NFT metaverse will be saved in your portfolio under your profile. Yes, so you can click and drop. Yes, and once you save, it will be under your profile. You can view series of meta that you have created here under your account. You can further edit your meta themes, make it more sophisticated, or you can choose to mint the NFT and publish it on chain. Creators or NFT owners can benefit from can monetize the NFT using our our NFT market space. Owners can buy and sell, perform the traditional transaction, or you can also profit by listing the sim here. So player can rent the NFT sim to perform various activities. So there are three main revenue generations on Owlando. The first one is UCG Pro Service subscription. Although most of the user will can access to our local 3D editors, but more advanced 3D users can also subscribe to our Pro services at a minimal fee. And also the second one is the marketplace commission. There will be different tiers of commission will be charged on the online the transaction in our marketplace. Um, and the third one will be marketing affiliate programs. We are building our corporate partnership portfolio to bring more marketing partnership program to uh, our creators, so they can share a profit while the commercial partners can benefit from the exposure in our meta space. Um, in Orlando, we believe that a, a game should be sustainable, and to achieve this, we introduce um, a resourceful protocol in which um, resource protocol in which it will work as a bridge to channel external good projects such as ERC20 or ERC 721 or others on other networks reward to our channels. This will um, ensure our perform will be updated constantly, and the gameplays will be renewed, and which also is strong. It's very quite critical to achieve our operational goal, and our user will be more incentive to stay with us as this resources protocol will be able to uh, keep the users involved in our project. Compare with other big player in the decentralized lands or decentralized gaming, Orlando's offer low cost 3D sims, NFT buildings. We think that is crucial for Web3 and Metaverse um, participants who have a low cost, and also it can make this technology accessible to individuals or startup with limited budget, and it's critical. It's also critical for us to scale as well. We are at a very early stage in the decentralized land, and we are very excited for the opportunity to come. And yeah, thank you, everyone. If you have any question, yeah, feel free to.
Yeah. Thank you, Shulin, for the presentation. So, questions from me is that so there are so if I don't get it wrong, the Orlando is a bit similar to like on-chain Roblox, or similar to Sandbox or Decentraland. So we all see that so even for Sandbox and Decentraland, their monthly or daily active users has decreased tremendously, especially during under the current market situations. So let's say that if you guys officially launch the project, but we are still in the similar market situation or even worse. So what is your guys' strategy to grow the project, basically? Yeah.
I think for us actually is I would say it's a good thing that we are in a more slow space. So there's a less actually capital involved because which means we have more time to develop our idea. Because previously compared with the competitor that you mentioned, decentralized land, which uh, have a quite powerful capital support, they will be able to invest in marketing. And for us, we have a good idea and we have good technology as well, but we have limited resources. And in such case, space, as they are, the global capital is shrinking, we'll be able to like really implement steadily on the best technology in our platform and also carry on our ideas. How to survive? We will constantly keep building our communities, and also partner with others startup to bring on to provide them our platform for them to create their own space. Also for DAOs and building a partnership and merge the users within different communities. I think yeah, our low cost features uh, will allow us to attract more users and also our resource pool protocol can also build as a bridge to bring more partners and resources to to our to our platform. Yeah.
Got it. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Let's move to the last project, but another list one, which is the Multiverse Play. Hi, Alex. Feel free to start. Don't forget to unmute yourself.
Okay, looks good now. Okay, guys. Hey, guys, this is Alex from the from the Multiverse Play team and owns Smart Train project. Our team aims to build a decentralized, intelligent matchmaking the platform which efficiently connect the Web3 and GameFi users and assets, including players, NFT holders, and GUIs, and the developers, and provides them with the intelligent matchmaking, task scheduling, and asset management, and the higher liquidity we call the smart N. And then let me show you the guys one video which give a brief introduction. Okay, let's move back. As we all know, not every GameFi NFT holder has time to experience and earn every day. That means a terrible consequence, lower profit and longer return. I can give you some data. In the GameFi, the percentage of idle assets exceeded over the 20%. Even superstar projects in their booming time, like XC or Stefan, still having over the 30% of the NFT are idle. Particularly for some big investors, more NFTs means more complicated post-investment management. Obviously, this problem is a big elephant in the GameFi room. It's a major problem which is present, but nobody can handle it. Well, our multiversal play team found the other side market, Scholar, who without NFT but have the enthusiasm for the GameFi industry. Once we could provide a job opportunity which could help the people earn $4 per day US dollars, there would be 600 uh, 160 the scholars competing for that. So here's our solution. Our multiversal play team proposed our ultimate solution, Smart Train, based on our smart matching and the scheduling system. We efficiently share the Web3 and GameFi investors access to the players without NFT. In general, like the graph showed, the NFT holders can stake or custody their NFT on our smart contract, which will generate the decentralized address, the whole process being secured and decentralized and transparent. Once our system got the NFT, smart scheduling system would find the most expert scholar and let him maximize the NFT's profit, which when the order is complicated. Last but not least, our system will split the NFT revenue between the scholar and NFT holder based on the contract profit percentage. Long story short, we bring Web2's Uber into Web3. Like Uber connecting drivers and passengers, we connecting the Web3 NFT holders and the scholars. Our platform makes two sides happy. The NFT holder could get the maximum profit. The scholar can get paid and the experience without purchasing NFT. By the way, to be the NFT post-investment management platform, we also provide the third-party DeFi protocol, which combines NFT rental and staking functionality. It gives NFT holder more option to manage their NFT profit. Okay, good news. I'm so proud to announce our app is already in our internal test, and we aim to release the first version of the Smart Train the end of the next month. We are happy to see all of you guys be the first batch users. This is our solution. I already covered that. And let's move to our value. The first value of smart train is the efficiently matching two sides. Like I said, we do things like Uber, based on our accumulative the data and the smart matching system. All expert scholars would be modelized and recommended to the NFT holder. Obviously, the matching system will be the smart as we grow bigger. Second, we are not only serving the NFT holder and scholars, but also we are contributing the whole GameFi Web3 ecosystem like GUID and developers. There is one thing I need to mention. We are connecting people, which unlike any other community or platform. The YGG also does this similar thing, but the player can only connect with the GUID instead of players. From the social perspective, we are very big active platform to provide not only Web3 but also Web2 users communicate with each other. For instance, at the beginning, one of the Stephen customer only purchased 5 shoes and moved to earn every day. After she realized the GameFi potential and knew our platform could help her, make more money, she invested 150,000 US dollars into the game, and definitely we helped her earn more than 100,000 US dollars at the end. On the other hand, the game developers had also been encouraged because more investors have been brought by us, more users and more investors and more developers means more good product. What a positive cycle we could see. Okay, our business model. There are two income from our platform. The first is the transaction fee, which will charge 2% of each order from the NFT holder side. Second is advertising fee, which will charge if one which the game developers or other guys need to do the promotion, to put the advertise on our platform. In the summary, our business model don't rely on the performance of the bear or bull market. Income would be healthier since we could help the NFT holder resolve their liquidity issue. Also, would be a this is such a healthy business model could be a strong support for our tokenomic. Okay, why the MVP? Why the smart one? First, it's the right time to go to an NFT market. We all know the GameFi or Web3 users' pain point is over there. We do the right thing and help people and the industry solve their issue. Second, our platform have very good scalability. We don't rely on the game developer support. Everybody knows experience to earn is a basic design model when a new Web3 or GameFi come up with. Even 95% of the games use the dual account. The one is the email account used for the play to experience. Another is the wallet account, which helps the user to manage their NFT assets. Thus, according to the design above, Smart Train could easily launch each new game or product based on our design infrastructure. And the third, currently we don't see any competitors who could resolve this issue in the comprehensive way. We all know current play-to-earn games have their own rental market. It's a passive rental model. For example, one gamer a corporation had named the Time Fantasy said they put an NFT into their own market. It usually takes 1 week to rent it out, and rental rate is below 50%. Also, they don't want to put too much energy into their rental market. They are game developers. Well, our smart matching system does this professionally. We could kill the NFT liquidity and help each NFT match the scholar. In summary, we could provide a more convenient and compatible way to give our users a better experience. And I move to our achievement. Currently, we have served more than the 40,000 the NFT holders and more than 100 GUID helped the 40,000 scholars to have the opportunity to join the Web3 games. All GUID are big investors. They want to pure investors without complicated management work. Thus, they wanna promote their scholars on our the smart one. That's why we got such an achievement. And let me give us a brief introduction of tokenomics, because I will show our product demo after the deck. Our tokenomics is the dual token model. One is the governance token, another the utility token. Our governance token named MPC will be released first. It will be used to allocate the profit and the DAO governance. Also, MPC could acquire more extra benefit like the whitelist for the investors or the NFT design. Okay, let's move to our team. The MVP is the international and the competitive team. Most of our core team members are serial entrepreneurs. They used to play the executive way from the Amazon, Night City, The Perfect World, Baidu, etc. Both failure and successful experience gained through our all Web2 and Web3 career path. And last, I will show our demo. This is our product, SmartRain, and we have two sides. We have two roles in our the app. One is the NFT holder, another is the scholar. I will show the scholar first. This is scholar page. The orders we can take it, and the earning summary shows the last day you already gained, and the top of the button is the NFT. The scholar can click the go online or offline. The right bottom is the earning. That means what the earning orders you already take. Or currently, we are earning player. Once I click the switch to an NFT holder, that will be changed to the role you can place the order. Currently, we are the the earning players, so we will take the order. Also, the wallet address used to slip the profit once the order completed. Okay. Once we click the take it, also that means the order already take it, and we can click the right corner, and we can see this is the previous order already earned 60 GST, and we can also see the detail of the order. This is a Stephen order. We can see the Stephen what we put the screenshot, and where the location, what's the order detail. This is the what's the payment cycle and the contact time, etc. Also, that means this is the order already complicated, and this is the complicated order detail. Let's switch back to the NFT holder. That means we can place an order. The order list means the earning order, the complicated order, and this page is we can manage what the NFTs we want to put in. This is the NFTs from the Stephen. Currently, we spotted Stephen, and this page means we will add the Stephen NFT. That put the NFT ID, and also put the energy, and give the type of the sneakers and the quality of sneakers. Once we put into the assets page, and we could place the order once we created the right NFT. We choose the network we just sorry, we just created, and choose the NFT, and place and input what the order detail, what you expected daily income, and what we will pay the 20% to the scholar, and what's the good time to connect, and choose the publish method. Okay, the order created, and if we want to be a we can see the what we just created from the order list. I think that's it. That's all about the scholar side and the NFT holder side, what we take the order, what we create the order.
Awesome. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much, Alex, for the detailed introduction. I think the whole project is pretty comprehensive and easy to understanding. So personally, I actually don't have more questions for you, but very happy to see that you guys have achieved such so many things so far. I'm very looking forward to see the future grow and development of the project. Yeah.
Thank you, Chris.
Cool. So I guess that's it for today. I would like to thank all 3 projects that showing today and presenting and explaining about more details about the projects. I believe this session is super helpful for audience to better understanding your project. And I also I truly believe that if audience are interested in your projects or getting involved in the the protocol and projects and engage with you guys. And also, audio audience, if you are curious about any of the product today, feel free to using their product, try it out. I believe these 3 teams are more than happy to talk and build connections with you guys. And also, if you are if you want to see more of the similar events like today's, please feel free to follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Telegram, Discord. We will have a bunch of the serious events like today's about to host for you guys. So yeah, thanks again everyone for joining us today. Hope you guys can keep building, especially under this I would say not very good market conditions. So yeah, very happy to host you guys today and see you guys soon. Bye-bye.